Yo, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but today I got a package in from DA9MAFIA. I ordered a carbon fiber inlay for the instrument cluster and some stickers. So if you guys are interested, go hit up DA9MAFIA, tell them Big Kev sent you. So that's what the video is going to be about today. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, so go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, you know what to do. And let's get the video started. All right, you guys, this is what I got from DA9MAFIA. We got a carbon fiber inlay. I ordered this shitbox sticker. This nice oil slick sticker. Ooh. I also threw in a couple more stickers for me. These are probably gonna go in the toolbox. But today we're gonna install this carbon fiber inlay. We're replacing the OEM bezel. I do have an extra DA cluster. I do have an extra DA cluster, so I'm gonna put it on this one first. Make sure I like it. And yeah, and we'll go from there. All right, you guys, this is an extra cluster that I had laying around. I didn't want to take out my cluster out yet because I wanted to make sure that I like the carbon fiber in it. But basically what I'm doing is taking the 2 screws off on top of the cluster, and there's some retainers holding the faceplate to the cluster. Once you take that apart, there's going to be 3 black tabs that you push in on top and 3 black tabs on the bottom that you push out. Once you get that loose, you can pull apart the cluster. So once you take the faceplate off the cluster, you'll have access to the little plastic bezel on the inside. So it's pretty easy to do. Alright, you guys, once you have the cluster separated, you'll have access to the plastic trim, which you'll be laying the inlay on. All right, next up, get some window cleaner or some Windex, spray down the plastic trim so that you can lay the sticker down. Go ahead and put a lot on there so you can move it around. Alrighty, I already got the sticker peeled off and I laid it onto the trim. Now you can massage the sticker into place. Here's the final product. I have the sticker laid on. It's all nice and dry now. Make sure you get all the air bubbles out the sticker. And everything seems to line up perfect. Alright, next thing we're going to do is remove the plastic trim around the cluster. There's a screw hidden behind there. Just pop that off. And behind the climate control switch, pull those 2 knobs off. And then there's like 2 more screws under there, I believe. And on top there's 2. And then on the bottom, you remove the kick panel. There's 1 screw on this side. And then there's another screw on the other side. And then you could drop the steering column and pop off that trim. All right, now you have access to your cluster. There's a total of 4 screws holding it down, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Next step is important. Go ahead and pop your hood and remove your speedometer cable from the transmission so that you have slack to pull out the cluster. All right, so here's the back side of the cluster. There's 3 plugs, 2 on the top, 1 in the middle, and the speedometer cable. All right, now that you have your cluster taken apart, gently remove the plastic trim. Try not to disturb the needles and put the new one on. And go ahead and assemble the cluster back together and you're done. Install everything back in reverse order. Don't forget to clean the glass inside and out. I'm not sure what those little specks are on the plastic, but ooh, she's looking fine. Now it's time to put the instrument cluster back in. You're going to want to pull that speedometer cable towards you so you can plug that in first. Then you can plug in the harnesses and then assemble everything back together and you're done. Alright you guys, final outcome.